try and use a controller. Off to an amazing start, man.
Oh, my boy!
You sound like shit!
My boy!
The audio is like...
It is bad. Hey, can you hear me from way over here?
Yeah.
Okay, it gets further away, that's cool. Look at them spawn.
I can't use controller. I have to use keyboard and mouse.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Hey, goobers.
Hello, Wildman. I like your mustache. There you are.
Oh, you're
Oh, wait.
old fuck.
Hello! God, you're a Chad Tuck.
Hello?
Bro is mewing.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, what do I look like?
Anyway,
Wow.
I'm back. You're an old
Yeah,
man.
A mustache man.
Mustache man? What's that sound?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
What sound?
It was booming.
I don't know. Oh, I hear it. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that is.
Ghost Larper. Ghost Larper.
Huh? Oh. I thought you were talking about me.
Those are cannibal sites. They're campsites. Cannibal
Wait, do you have a
campsites.
walkie?
Oh, that we have a walkie.
Yeah.
How do you get it? How do you use it?
I'm trying to figure it out now. Oh. Do you just talk while it's out?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. We going that way? Let's just go this way.
Yeah.
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 Hey Grady, there's a cannibal camp real close.
Did you say
I'm eating.
cannibal?
Oh, what?
Goddamn cannibal camp.
Cannibal camp? Gotcha.
Goddamn cannibal camp.
Cannibal camp. Heels.
In the hills.
In the woods. Oh man, there's a lot of woods.
The cannibal is checking us out.
As it should. Maybe you're just hot, you know?
I appreciate that.
Have you ever thought about that, you know? Hello? Damon's character model behind you is so funny.
Whoops, my bad. What?
What were you doing back there?
What are you doing all day? Don't worry about it.
What are you boys doing?
We all have rock.
Yo mama. I got some bird.
Bird.
There, I'll put it all on there.
Snapping fucking birds, man.
Wait until they're like brown, you know.
Where do you want this rank at? Just so I'm not fucking
There you go.
Let's do it down here for now. We can do like farm and collection down here. Fireplace?
Yeah, there's like a fuck just in
Look at it, dude.
Is that for
Also,
water?
Did anybody eat
Not
the
know that
meat?
you could do that.
I have it on me. I have two.
Could you give me one?
Yeah.
My boy's hungry.
There you go. So I'm gonna eat the other one. Just so it doesn't go to waste.
Yeah, understandable.
I have an oyster too. It sounds nasty when you eat it. It makes like a slurping noise. No. I don't want to equip it. Yeah, okay. I was right. There we go. Best weapon in the game right here. How the hell did you get that? Did you just make it?
Just need rope.
Rope, tape, and
Sticks.
sticks. Okay. Huh, okay. I got a... Oh, Jesus.
They're right there.
Okay, I wasn't imagining things.
There's one in the trees.
There is.
Yeah.
There's one in that tree right there. Hey! Hey! Yeah! Yeah!
We'll leave him be.
Yeah.
Let's not piss him off yet.
See a smoke signal over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like cannon.
They're in the trees. Solid copy. 2.
What's this? There's rope down here.
Yeah, I grabbed it already.
Now it's looking like Missouri.
God damn it. Not Missouri.
Apparently there's a few new type of mutants too.
Yeah. You're talking about like in the video or just the ones that weren't in it?
Just
I don't know where you want your rocks.
come there.
Oh no!
God damn it.
I decided to get rid of the trees.
You knocked me on my ass in the process, boy.
Start yelling timber!
You know, Tuck, your character kind of looks like Chris Redfield from Resident Evil.
I have no idea what I look like, so it's just like one of those things.
Here, I'll send you a picture.
Are me and Dave the same character?
Yes.
Hold on. Here, let me go to
This was
Instagram.
awesome. Bro, you look like an absolute Chad.
There you go, Tuck. Look at your phone. Like, you could be Chris Redfield's brother, and I wouldn't say anything different.
Yeah, but
You see what I mean, though?
I do.
Bunch of wood.
Bunch of wood.
Bunch of wood.
Look at all this wood.
I wish I had a chainsaw.
I wish I had this much wood in my pants.
Hey.
Damon's like, I don't have that problem.
I'm just the average black man. What can I say?
Oh, look at this, Snake. Look at this.
Oh yeah, lovely. Dead
Oh,
people.
raccoon.
Where?
Huh?
Oh,
Raccoon.
no.
Oh, don't kill it. Don't kill it.
They got lucky. You
wanna
just saved
see
his
it.
life.
I want to see it. Come here, little boy. Come here.
They climb trees, by the way.
I wanna
You
see it.
must be our dinner.
No.
There he is. That's a fat fucking raccoon, man.
Man, these are like Missourian raccoons. Oh. He's way over here. He's behind you.
You think this
Wow,
water is definitely not safe to drink?
Oh, it gives you poison. It hurts your health.
Oh no. Don't drink the water, Damon. It's got poop in it.
Poop.
Oh no.
There's a lady.
Oh. Don't hurt.
Yeah, don't hurt her.
We found Virginia.
She's important to the story.
Copy.
What's
She
this
gonna run
blue
from
thing
us?
over here? Yeah, she'll run for us. She'll warm up to us and start running around us. Aw, shit. Dave, you know what this means. Get on, boys! Get on!
What's in the box? Oh, nothing.
Can you get on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the back. It's a 4-seater. Is this bitch electric? This piece of
Yeah.
shit.
Don't tell them. We're just gonna roll up. Oh my god.
Now be easy with her. We only have this one, man. Okay.
We're gonna roll up. We're gonna roll up, boy.
Shut up, bitch.
What's going on?
They can be alive.
Oh shit.
What's going on, boys?
That was fast.
Shit. Watch out, Tucker. You okay?
Yeah, I thought I was like running away from it. It was
I'm
running
my
in.
bad.
Fuck him up.
Wait, wait. There we go.
Oh, what a night.
What? What was that laugh? I got you up.
Oh,
Help!
I'm down again.
I'm dead. Fucking bullshit.
Ain't no way.
Hey!
Don't freak out, Damon. Hi, Dick.
Hey, buddy. You need help there?
Nah, I'm built different.
Okay.
Oh, Grady.
What
What
fine
happened?
work you've done. Oh,
They're in the woods.
It all changed.
Yeah. We're safer this way.
Hey, Grady, look behind you. Up the hill.
Drink 50 cans of
Oh shit.
FIV.
Hey,
Veronica
Virginia.
followed us back here.
Yeah, Veronica. Isn't her name Virginia?
It's Virginia.
Virginia.
Okay.
Yeah, she found her camp.
Hello.
Well, that's her leg glitching like that.
That's not glitching.
Shut
That's
up.
her. She got 3 legs, boy.
Oh.
Like, wait a minute.
Okay.
Alright.
Damon, you look cool as shit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're just an old man. It looks really funny to me.
An old man who's conquering the wilderness.
Yes. Like. Here, stay at that side profile. Look to the side. I want to send you this picture. Hold on. Look at this. No. Look away from it. Look away. Yeah. Here, look at your Instagram.
Let's see this. God damn!
Grady. Shit. Fucking damn crackheads in the woods. You guys wanna know something funny? These plants along the river, by the way, I dared one of my friends in high school to eat one. And he did. He was also
Oh
a
my
dumbass.
goodness.
Those things are.
Hey, come up here.
Sorry, I'm looking at the excavator. Sorry, really?
Wish there was more to this.
We got another whip.
Golf cart batteries.
Hey, there's ink here.
Yeah, this is the fire axe bunker.
Helicopter?
Chopper?
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
What the hell?
Yeah, there we go.
What's that
It's the
doing here?
reinforcements. They're here. Oh, maybe.
Is that Declan?
Is this gonna end poorly?
I think it's trying to land.
Should we go to it?
Well,
We
we
gotta
had
go up here. For
we had the golf cart. Oh, it's never mind. It's only a 4-seater.
It just changed.
So it seems.
Oh,
Yar.
One wheel. Boys.
God damn.
huh?
God damn it. That scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, let's go.
It's fine.
Where's Tucker?
Oh!
Tucker, hurry!
He's coming. Look at him.
Hurry up, Tuck. You can. There's no fall damage. There's no fall damage on this thing.
Thank you.
Also, you missed out on this guy having a red flare.
He was dying. He was alive though. Oh, guys, poggers, check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
All right, I'll meet you there, Damon. Or actually,
Okay.
I want to ride with you.
Alright.
Come on, let's go.
Are you in?
Yeah, I'm in. I'm in the back.
If I drive off the cliff, are we gonna die? Oh, are we gonna die?
Probably. Maybe, I don't know. There's not fall damage with the one wheel, so
You want to test it and see?
I'm down. Oh God!
We made it.
Did we just fucking flip?
Yeah.
Oh my God, bro. We are
Uh,
crazy.
I do like the one wheel. You don't take fall damage when you jump off of cliffs.
You missed
It's
it.
very useful for that.
You guys missed it, Damon, and I jumped off a cliff with the golf cart and did a fucking front flip and landed on our wheels.
Nice.
Just got to the golf cart and I was going down the road and I hit a moose with it.
Virginia's back.
Did I just hear you say you hit a moose?
Also, I got a lot from that trip.
I
Yeah.
got all the golf cart batteries.
Just two.
With the solar panels, we should be able to charge batteries and stuff.
Did you at least get the meat from the moose first?
Damon,
Eh?
the golf carts.
Okay, I
charge
ran down the
themselves.
other moose and killed it.
Yeah, yeah.
Skin it, boy.
I can't see.
Man,
Yeah, I
this
can't
game
see
is
shit
so
either.
realistic looking.
Here it is.
Freaky.
Oh fuck! Turn the light on.
Oh my god!
Sweet.
Let me up the fucking stairs!
What was that?
Hey! This is why we need walls.
Fucking come sleep. There we go.
Finally.
Oh, I'm starving. I did. I am gonna have to call it, boys.
Okay.
I got work in the morning.
Gotcha.
Do I have to go up here and save it? Or is it
Yeah.
gonna save by itself?
Yeah, save.
Yeah, save your progress.
Alright. See y'all later.
Good night, boy.
Nah.
We can build another. Look at that loose head.
It's his trophy. Here. Ow, what the fuck?
What did you say? Oh, can we do that?
Yeah, teamwork.
That bitch broke my helmet.
We can probably do that.
I know. Do you have any food?
I have some canned food, but I'm trying to save it for when we do go into caves.
Okay.
But if you need it, I can give it to you. I don't know. We can always find more canned food.
No. It's fine. I have enough to hold. Oh wait, I forgot about the cereal.
Here, eat this.
No, I'm good. I have oysters and cereal. What a
Okay.
terrible fucking combination, by the way.
Once we get a safe spot, I'd like to go up and get.
Oh, nice! Look at Tucker, Colton.
That's awesome. Freddy Krueger head. Brrr.
Is that a burnt head?
Look,
That's
Freddy
a
Krueger head.
burned head. Oh, fucking psycho. Freddy Krueger
I'm gonna
head.
go
Let me see it.
Brrr.
See my goddamn face. I only saw your hand. What are you giving me?
Let me find it.
No, I don't want a cooked head. You know what? Yeah, I got something for you in return. Brr. There you go. I don't want it.
I'm gonna keep it.
Remember
When I get
that.
lonely, I can pull out Freddy.
Pull out fucking Freddy.
What are you doing, Dake?
Making explosives.
Good to know.
Wanted to get away from him for a second. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna probably record more of this. I don't normally do outros, but yeah. I'm gonna try and upload some more tomorrow if I can, but I'll catch you guys later.